In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 voltage testers available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the Fluke 1ACA12 non-contact voltage tester. While Fluke and its voltage tester are a touch on the pricey side, they can undoubtedly be a feasible alternative for those of you looking for something safe and dependable to utilize. It has a non-contact reading mode for added safety, which is one of its most unique features. This does, however, limit the voltage range to 90 volts to 1000 volts AC. You also get the Cat 4 1000 volts certification for further protection when using this voltage tester, in addition to the convenient no-contact reading mode. This voltage tester contains an integrated beeper that lets you know when it has taken a reading, as the name suggests. Because Fluke is such a high-end brand, you may expect a 2-year guarantee. At number 4 is the Neoteck non-contact voltage tester. When compared to most other voltage tester brands, Neoteck is a relatively young brand that can still be a feasible option for many, especially if you want something versatile. Another device that includes non-contact reading for added safety is the Neoteck voltage tester. It comes with 2 voltage ranges, the best of which is rated at 12 volts to 1000 volts AC. You may also alter its sensitivity between 3 levels to achieve more precise results. This Neoteck voltage tester, like the preceding TAClife voltage tester, comes with Cat 3 1000 volts and Cat 4 600 volts safety certifications, which are fairly good, if not the greatest. This voltage tester also comes with useful features including LED lighting and an audible voice alarm. The guarantee on this Neoteck voltage tester is a little limited due to its newness. Top 3 at our list is the Eoutil non-contact voltage tester. Eoutil and the voltage tester mentioned here are very new compared to most other brands, therefore they offer reasonably priced solutions. This Eoutil voltage tester is one of the few solutions on the market that is both inexpensive and extremely safe to use. Although it has a modest price tag, the voltage range is restricted to 60 volts to 1000 volts AC. Nonetheless, this model, like other more expensive ones, includes a no-contact mode. Despite its inexpensive cost, this Eoutil voltage tester can nonetheless boast a Cat 4 1000 volts safety certification. Another fantastic feature of this voltage tester is that it comes with an illuminated display, an inbuilt light, a buzzer, and other useful features. Unfortunately, because it is a small brand, it does not come with a warranty. Moving up at number 2 is the Sperry Instruments STK001 non-contact voltage tester. The Sperry Instruments STK001 non-contact voltage tester is a reliable and cost-effective voltage tester. This pen tester includes a plug-in outlet tester, so you can test cables and outlets with only one kit. The voltage detected by the pen tester is between 50 and 1000 volts. When it detects voltage, it emits a loud beep and the clear plastic housing the bulb flashes red. It uses one AAA battery and has a low battery indication to let you know when it's running low. Voltage, as well as open grounds, open neutrals, open hots, and reversed polarities, will be detected by the outlet tester. It may also check the functionality of GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupter, outlets. And at number 1 is the Klein Tools NCVT Fourier voltage tester. The NCVT Fourier voltage tester from Klein Tools is a good choice for electrical work around hot equipment like boilers, furnaces, or industrial equipment. This variant includes an infrared thermometer in addition to sensing voltages between 12 and 1000 volts. Temperatures between -22 and 482 degrees Fahrenheit may be detected by the thermometer, allowing for safe, hands-free temperature readings. The pen tester has a 2-color LED system, white to signal that it's working and red to indicate that voltage has been detected. The infrared thermometer features a built-in laser pointer that allows for more exact measurements. Both functionalities are powered by 2 AAA batteries, which are protected by a built-in cutoff. Comfortable. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.